Reviewing footage. The greater part of video editing is spent watching or listening to clips and making creative choices about them. Premiere Pro has multiple ways to perform common tasks, such as playing video clips. You can use the keyboard, click buttons with your pointer, or use an external device such as a Jog Shuttle controller. Continue working in the Theft Unexpected bin. Click the icon View button at the lower left corner of the bin and use the zoom control to set the thumbnails to a size you are happy with. Hover your pointer over any of the thumbnails in the bin. Premiere Pro displays the contents of the clip as you move your pointer, which is called hover scrubbing. The left edge of the thumbnail represents the beginning of the clip and the right edge represents the end. In this way, the width of the thumbnail represents the whole clip. While you're hover scrubbing, a tiny navigator appears at the bottom of the thumbnail. Select a clip by clicking it once. Be careful not to double-click or the clip will open in the source monitor. Now, hover scrubbing is turned off. When you select the clip, the navigator at the bottom of the thumbnail grows larger and a small gray playhead appears. Try dragging through the clip using this playhead. When you do so, the clip audio will also play. When a clip is selected, you also can use the J, K, and L keys on your keyboard to perform playback, just as you can in the media browser. J, play backward. K, pause. L, play forward. Select a clip and use the J, K, and L keys to play the video in the thumbnail. You can also use the spacebar to play and stop. When you double-click a clip, Premiere Pro displays the clip in the source monitor and also adds it to a list of recent clips. Double-click 4 or 5 clips from the Theft Unexpected bin to open them in the source monitor. Open the Source Monitor panel menu to browse your recent clips. Open the Zoom Level menu at the bottom left of the source monitor. By default, this is set to fit, which means Premiere Pro will display the whole frame regardless of the original size. The resolution of your clips will often be higher than that of your source monitor. Change the setting to 100%. It's likely scroll bars have appeared at the bottom and on the right of your source monitor, so you can view different parts of the image. However, if you are working on a very high resolution screen, it's possible the image got smaller. The benefit of viewing with zoom set to 100% is that you see every pixel of the original video, which is useful for checking the quality. Now choose Fit from the Zoom Level menu.